And the roof up there, nice view. There you go, and this is all our wee bit land.
See that bit metal bit, Mark? That's up there, the rusty thing. That's the chimney that's up there.
Alright, okay. And that's the
Nico.
nice view there.
Nico, Nico.
Show you. Over there, that's the secret garden, but we'll take you into there and show you there. And see over there where there's a hole. We can build into there eventually. But if you look straight down, that's the drive. And then we'll put wee steps up there to go up to the view, but we'll take you there. And this area up here, Marcus, that's where we'll have the pool eventually. And over here, there, that's got to be the kitchen. And in the kitchen, oops, we'll have a door on there, a stable door on there, and a window. But there's a hole in there, but I'm not going to go in, and that's where we'll get some light. And in that window there, we're going to open that up to make it a bigger window. Same with the door, we'll have the door double with a stable door. And then that wee window there. And then this is what we've called the secret garden. Right, I'll get Mark to take over now. Could you take over, hold it like that?
Sure.
And then go in and show them the
secret garden.
The bathroom.
This is the secret garden. Rather nice. And that's the wee piggery, which is going to be storeroom. And this is the bathroom. Good size, Helen. Right, come on. Come on, out. Out. Yeah, toad. Cheers, mates. Come on out. Back out the secret garden. Jardin. There's my pies. Views of the Mont.